Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another great product. This is from OWC Digital. It's the Mercury Extreme Pro 6G SSD. It's a professional choice for SSDs for your Mac, or you can use it for Windows. I use mine on Windows. It's a 2.5-inch SSD drive. You can add to your system for video workflow, upgrading factory hard drives. It gives you professional grade performance. Transfer speeds, 559 megabytes per second read, 527 megabytes per second write, 479 megabytes per second read on incompressible data, 280 megabytes per second write. This thing is pretty cool, and wow, custom made for Mac. You can easily use it. These guys are certified with Black Magic Design. Holy crap, those are big files. Adamus, sound designs, video devices, all sorts of pro-grade equipment that you can take and use for this. It's Tier 1 Sync NAND that they have, and the controller technology in here. And wow, they test them over and over again. They give them a 5-year warranty and free USA lifetime-based support. So really cool there. 7-stage testing procedure, and they're built in Austin, Texas. Be sure to check them out. We certainly have loved their experience with ours, and we're going to keep using it and everything else. Go to OWCdigital.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you.